Tsar, the first Kaiser. And Augustus was a real person like us, much more powerful, because nobody would say no to a Roman emperor. And when Augustus died, finally, he became a god. So we have Augustus.
Esa parece de la señora, yo creo.
That they're working on it.
Very strong.